In this lesson, students will build new knowledge by inquiring, thinking critically, identifying problems, and developing strategies for solving problems. Learners participate in an ongoing inquiry-based process by continually seeking knowledge, engaging in sustained inquiry, enacting new understanding through real-world connections, and using reflection to guide informed decisions. Knowing how to analyze information to determine the credibility of a website is a critical life skill. Web browsing and internet use is a necessary part of life for students and adults to complete school and work tasks, as well as make informed decisions, whether those are complex or simple, such as who do I vote for, which candidate's beliefs do I identify with, to how should I spend my Saturday, where should I go, where will I eat lunch, and how much money will I need. Think for a moment, how many times do you Google something each day, each week? Anyone can publish anything on the internet, so how do you really know what is truthful and reliable information and what is not? You need to be able to think critically about information you read online, analyze it, and determine if it is a credible source or not. You want to be a well-informed person. Look over the resources here labeled in green that say Learn. Here. Okay, these sites that say Learn are going to give you information about how to determine the credibility of a site. Start here with this trap video. It will tell you more about evaluating websites. The video will explain exactly how to analyze websites to determine if they can be trusted. The remaining sources, these here, will go into more details about how to analyze sites as well, and you can look at those in any order. Be sure to take notes though and look for common themes. After you have completed that, look over the yellow resources that say Analyze. That would be these sites here with the yellow tab that say Analyze. There are 11 sites listed as options to evaluate. You will need to select at least 6 of them. You will use a form to answer questions about each site, which is located here at the bottom with the purple label. Okay, that can be found down here with this website evaluation form. It is a form that you can go through and answer the questions and will help you decide if it's a credible source or not. After you have thoroughly scanned each site that you select for its authenticity, decide whether this is a website you could use as a credible source or not. Be sure to create a new form for each site provided and save the completed forms in the Google Classroom. After everyone has completed their website evaluations, we will come together as a group to discuss each one and to answer the discussion question here, located at the top of the Padlet. How can you discern the truth in information you find on the internet? How can you be sure that a source is credible? Okay, and you should be able to do that after you work your way through the video, the trap video, and the other websites listed here that say Learn. Will tell you more information about how to evaluate a website